County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Granville, or near Westfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Westfield, Agawam, West Springfield, Longmeadow, Southfield, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Wilbraham, Summers, Granby, East Windsor, Southwick, East Granby, Hampton, Heartland, Russell, and Granville. For your protection, move to an